How to update/upgrade a package using pip. What is the way to update a package using pip? Those do not work. I know this is a simple question, but it is needed as it is not so easy to find. Pip documentation doesn't pop up, and other questions from Stack Overflow are relevant but are not exactly about that.
The way is, or in short, using sudo will ask to enter your root password to confirm the action, but although common, is considered unsafe. If you do not have a root password, if you are not the admin, you should probably work with virtualenv. You can also use the user flag to install it on this user only.
For a non-specific package and a more general solution, you can check out pip review, a tool that checks what packages should be updated. To install, then run.
Use this code in terminal. For example, I want update pip package. More examples.
TL, Dr. Script to update all installed packages. If you only want to upgrade one package, refer to @Borg's answer. I often find it necessary, or at least pleasing, to upgrade all my packages at once. Currently, pip doesn't natively support that action, but with SH scripting it is simple enough. You use pip list, awk, or cut and tail, and command substitution. My normal one-liner is: this will ask for the root password. If you do not have access to that, the user option of pip or virtualenv may be something to look into.
If you want to present your